Come on. You see if you have the man with me, please make sure she's alright. And I tell her to go this minute. For your sake, make sure you make her go. Right now.
Patricia, I would never do such a thing. I only did that to get you here. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you.
There is nothing to talk about, Kev. First of all, what the man put me there? Or me if you don't say you don't have her. Wait, you're a kidnapper. You're a kidnapper now.
Patricia, no. That is not the case. I did not kidnap her.
Oh. Samuel Ostrich. And me at the Ostrich, let me tell you something. See me as a girl, I can't sing. As I'm a tough up, I start demonstrate here.
No, please. Don't do that.
No, I have a nice baritone right there, you know. A nice like alto, we come from Tony's though.
Please, Patricia.
We can get loud.
Just let me
really loud. And they don't have nothing to explain to me, sir. Why am I here? Santa man, come remember say me a singer. Wait, what have it? As a matter of fact, I'm going for the mark, Gary. Wait. You know, say me actually have a nice little bass and go baritone. I want to give them like it. I want to add
Patricia.
murder.
Please.
Please. Let me murder. Hello, me can't get louder than this.
Patricia. Please.
Hello.
Please.
What side are you now? What is it? Talk. You have 2 seconds.
Patricia, you're not a hostage. Oh my. Just hear me out, please. You are not a hostage. I don't have your daughter.
So if you don't have my child, what may I do here?
I really just wanted to talk to you.
So you could have called me?
If I had called you, would you have picked up?
No.
That's my point, sir. I didn't know any other way to get you here.
What you want to talk about? We don't have nothing to talk about.
I need to explain to you what has been happening.
Prove to me say you don't have my daughter. Oh, me get a message from Fear phone say she done write you. So, explain it to me.
So, Patricia, I never really told you what it is that I do for a living. I am a software developer. And so I hacked into your phone. I got her number and sent you a message from her phone.
Oh, so you're an hacker. So one time I call her phone and that gets her.
I intercepted and jammed the signal so she could not receive any calls from you.
See? You never see smoke without fire. See, at my phone, get my data number. I say get this number too. I say get the information.